Hello and welcome to Manitowoc Ice Training Center. My name is Tanner. Today we're going to be going over unboxing this ice machine bin and this modular ice machine. We're going to go over just a few steps that you want to make sure that you don't miss when unboxing these things and getting your ice machine set up. So today we're actually going to start with the bin, so let's get the cover off of this thing. So we'll go ahead and get the cover off of this. All right, we got the cardboard off. Let's get the stuff out of the inside. Inside, you'll find a scoop, and you'll also find the legs to the bin. I'll show you how to put these on. All right, I set the bin on its back. You don't have to do it this way. You can lean it up against something, however you want to do it. This is how I'm going to do it to show you a little more what's going on. Okay, we obviously have these 4 holes in each corner for the legs. We also have the drain plug for the bin here. Okay, so we want to make sure we take this off when we have access to the bottom of this bin. So let's get started with that. Now these legs just screw in just like normal. We'll get them on there hand tight. All right, we got our legs on, so let's take out this plug. What I like to do is take a socket wrench and then the extension on there and use that to take it out. There you have it. And now you have this open to get yourself a drain in. All right, so our bin is pretty much set up. Make sure you get the drain on there and get that all set up. Now you're able to get the ice machine on top. So let's go over the ice machine unboxing as well, just to go into that a little more detail. So we'll go ahead and start by getting this box off. Like I said before, there'll be one of these green bands right here. I just took it off just to kind of prepare for this a little bit. We'll go ahead and get our box off. All right, once you got all the cartoning off, you got your air baffle right here, so don't forget to put this on for an air-cooled unit. Now that we have all of our cartoning off, we're going to want to open up the front panel. There's a few things in here that we want to take off before we can start the ice machine. We have 2 screws right here. Now we have access to our manual and the few things that we have to take off behind this curtain. So of course, we'll take out our packet. This is the installation, operation, and maintenance manual. You want to make sure you keep this with the ice machine. Then we also have this warning right here that there is a clip on the ice thickness probe, okay? So we're going to take this curtain off and get that off of there as well. And right here is where we get a lot of calls. People calling in that their ice machine is not working. We see that it's a new install. Somebody forgot to take off this packing clip. This just keeps that ITP a little safe during transit. So go ahead and unwrap the tape that's around it. We'll pull down on this and just remember that there is a silver washer that's being held on to the back side, okay? There's 2 items here. Silver washer and then the clip that goes along with it that holds it on. We'll go ahead and put our curtain back on. Okay, so we removed the manual and we removed the clip and washer from the ice thickness probe. Very important thing to remember there. Once you've done that, you're ready to continue with the installation as it proceeds there. We're not going to get into actual details on installing water inlet and installing the drains and or the line sets. Just remember those will be in the back. Your power cable connections will be in the back as well. I appreciate you sticking around and watching the video. If you have questions, go ahead and put it in the comments section below. And just remember, even though these steps were kind of simple, they are very important to the process of actually installing the ice machine properly. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.